Alright, so it is hot as fuck outside. Should have started this earlier, but you know, I was lazy. I had to go pick up my chain from the jeweler. Cringe sounds, I know. But it broke and I needed to get it fixed. And today's pretty much the only day that I can go. So, had to get that. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the cleaning of the subframe. Trailing arms, all that. I've got this scrubber. So I'm gonna be able to, you know, instead of just power washing it, because the power washer is good, it just doesn't get scrubby, you know? So, here's my purple power. Spray everything. I should just ceramic coat everything too. Fuck it, huh? Oh, man. The boy Colton just showed up. Jeez. Bag Mustangs are cool. Especially when you're running big ass fucking tires. What's up, man? It's hot as fuck outside. That shit is crazy. That's a big fucking tire though. Dude. This is fucking insane. The 315, right? 315 Ford. Fuck.
315 45?
Yeah. Insane. Couldn't be me, but well, the X5 is running 315s in the rear. Or no, I think they're 305s.
Are these V8s?
Huh?
Are these V8s?
Not this one. They do make them in V8s, but
That's an M, right?
the M1 comes in a V8, yeah. Oh, fuck.
Did you change the bushings out or what?
Yeah, so I already got the bushings already done. And then also on the rear of these cars, they got like weak mounting points with a subframe. So you weld in these plates.
Oh, okay.
And it gives that extra.
You welding all kinds of shit.
Dude, I suck, but yeah.
You suck.
It's not going to be a pretty weld, but
It'll hold.
it'll hold. It's not going to be seen, so. Yeah. Wish it were on the ground, but whatever.
It'll get back there.
Yeah. I gotta find these bolts so I can squeeze these bushings in.
I had a guy the other day message me and asked me if I was gonna.
Yep. Yeah. Well, I got them mocked up where they're supposed to go. For now, I'm gonna get the wire wheel and start just fucking removing all the paint around it so I know where it goes, and then I'll drop the gas tank, I guess, so that I can get them welded in, because most of them I could probably like get around it, cover the gas tank with like a blanket or something. But this one over here, it goes right into the gas tank, so don't want to do that.
Who needs
Yeah.
a full gas?
Fuck cars.
Yeah.
Big time. Alright, so it took a long ass break, but I am back at it, and as you can see, I've dropped the gas tank. Didn't want to do it. It wasn't too bad to do though. The tank is basically empty. I made sure of it throughout like the week that I was driving it or whatever. So gas tank's down. I'll go ahead and strip the bare metal as much as I can with the, probably switch over to the grinder, to be honest. Got the grinder right there with the sanding wheel on it. So gonna get all that done and then bolt them back up again, tack weld the center holes to keep them in place, tack weld a couple of the edges, and then kind of go around and do the whole thing. So yeah, once this is done, I mean, it's not much from there, just putting everything back together, which does suck, I'm not gonna lie, but again, it's not horrible. I'm doing this mostly on my own, so if I, who 6 years ago couldn't even do a fucking intake manifold gasket or valve cover gasket, can do this, you can do it. It's not hard. So I'm gonna get to cleaning the surface and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got all the plates prepped. I got all the surfaces prepped. Got these trailing arm bolts actually fit perfectly, so I don't have to use the whole fucking long ass subframe bolt. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tack a little bit on the insides, a little bit on the outside, remove the bolts, and then just go in there as best as I can, I guess. Let me go get the welder set up and I'll be right back. Alright, gonna try and get this welded up now. So, ugly welds, but it's staying up there, so I'm just gonna go all the way around on that shit. It's gonna take me a while. I'm not gonna do it all on camera, so I'll be back. Alright, so I am no welder by any means. And this is, but yeah, there's that partially welded in. Still haven't gone all the way around it. It is fucking hot out here and I can't do it anymore, so I'm gonna end it here. I might come back later on tonight when the sun goes down. Again, sun sets that side, so, or that side, whatever, so I get more shade here. And jeez Louise. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Pretty much is just prepping. This video was pretty much just prepping the rear end for the weld ends. And next video will be more finishing the weld ends as well as getting everything back together. So hopefully that next video I can start tonight or tomorrow morning. I will start, if I do in the morning, way early. But I probably won't actually, so it might be a little while. So you know the deal, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.